Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Elysia. For those of you who don't know, and those of you who do know, welcome back.
Cause I'm still hood, Hollywood couldn't change me. Shout out to my haters, sorry that you couldn't phase me.
Today I will be trying to do a slick back bun on my natural. I'm going to be showing you guys the things I'm going to be using, the materials I'm going to be using, and I'm going to show you guys how to slick your hair back without using heat. The first thing you're going to need is some clips. You can get these anywhere. I believe I got these for $7 for 2 of them. Next, I am going to be using some Eco Styling Professional Styling Gel with olive oil. You can use any Eco Styling Gel of your choice. I've heard really bad things about this, but it works for me. I don't use a lot all the time. So next, I'm going to be using some Edge Booster Styling Hold. This one is the Sweet Peach scent, and it smells like sweet peach. Like, it smells really good. This one is really nice because it comes with a little spoon. It's kind of dirty, don't judge me. But it comes with a little spoon, right? Next, you're gonna need a hard brush. Just a regular ass hard brush, regular schmegler, one I got from Walmart or the hair store. Next, I have a detangling brush that I use. Kind of dirty, but this is what I use to detangle my hair. I have a pick I'm gonna use to help also detangle and pick out my hair. And I forgot to mention, I also kind of use this to help slick my hair back. Last but not least, you're gonna need your edge toothbrush. So you're gonna take your edge toothbrush and you're gonna just slick your edges down with the edge toothbrush. And that's it, period, poo, period. I'm just kidding, that's extra. Now you may have water of your choice with conditioner. This is what I use right here. It has this funky looking, kind of dense, low colored to it because this is water and conditioner. So different couple things I mix together in here to use on my hair. And this works for me and it's easy to detangle. Okay guys, let's get straight into the video. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna try to transform this and how I'm gonna try to put it in my clips and where it curly and where my hair is slicked back. So as you guys just watched, I just part off my hair. I part the back of my hair off. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to look good. Just part of the back of your hair off. Now that back is what we're going to be working with right now. So that back we're going to try to flatten the back out as much as possible, smooth the back out, and put it in a ponytail. After we do that, next we're going to split the hair down the middle and we're going to be working on both sides, left and right. So at this point, I'm just going to have you guys watch because I'm done talking. I don't like where I look right now. I'm just kind of love myself. Hopefully you can learn off this video and manipulate what I do. So as you can see, I got the hair in a back pony. You're going to start seeing me use the brush, and I'm using the tip of the brush, just the top part of that brush, to brush my hair back and slick it back. I feel this really works better than using the full bristles of the brush to try to brush your hair back. So I do suggest when you're doing your slick back, or if you have some pieces that kind of you really want wavy, looking nice and kind of slick down, really use the tip of that brush to try to get your hair as flat as possible. So now that we're at the step where we're going to add the clip in. Oh, I hope you guys can see me over there. But now that we're at the step where we're going to add the clip in, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to try, sorry I keep trying to adjust the camera. I'm going to take the back of my hair and I'm going to try to hold it up and lift it like that. You can see a little bit of the conditioner. Oh, I put conditioner in my hair. So your hair would not look flaky like this. It will not look like, you won't say white residue in your hair. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to keep it pushy. I'm not going to stop and try to fix it. It is what it is. So at this point, I have this clip, and I'm going to try to lift the back of my hair up like this. And I'm going to try to put this clip in the back. So like that. It's going to look just like this. So you're just going to like push the back of your hair up. So it's down in the ponytail like this. And you're just going to grab it and try to push it up. And you're going to try to put that clip right in there. So give me just a minute, guys. It takes me just a moment to try to do this. I'm watching the TikTok girlies, and I'm trying to be a TikTok girl. It ain't working out. But baby, if we keep going, maybe it will work out. So let's just keep trying to persevere and see if we can what we can do with it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I really hope the back looks cute. I really can't see it. My glasses are really dirty. It took me like 2 hours to do this hairstyle, so I really hope the back looks cute. I only can see the front for right now. And like I said, do not worry about the hair flaking. That is okay. At least with me, I don't care. It is what it is.
Gosh, something wrong here.
So now at this point, I'm not gonna worry about if it looks cute or not. I'm gonna keep it pushing, but I am gonna move on to my edges. Am I the only one who fucking hates how their voice sound on camera? Like, I don't know why. I just wanna like change my voice up. Like, hi, how are you guys today? I just hate how my voice sound on camera. So we're gonna go back in with the edge booster, and we're gonna use the edge booster on my edges, and I'm gonna try to do my edges really quickly for you guys. Now you may do your edges any way you like, but for right now, this is how I kind of want my edges looking for right now, but I'm not done with them. So after I try to lay them down by using the edge booster, I go back in with the Eco Styling, and I just go back over it to try to brush it out and smooth it out. The Eco Styling gel kind of makes my edges a little more straight because they're kind of curly, so they curl back. They curl back up. So I use the Eco Styling gel to kind of straighten them out and flatten my edges, and then I put a scarf on. And girl, I cannot see, so yes, I'm one of them. I'll be up on the mirror because I'm blind. I cannot see. I'll be all up on this mirror. by the way, I'm not at home. I'm in somebody else's bathroom, so obviously I'm gonna clean my mess up or whatever. But I used to get beat by my mama for messing her bathroom up every time I try to do my hair. I was just trying to be a bad bitch and look cute. I was just trying to be a bad bitch and look cute. She was out to get me. No, I'm playing. I love my mama. But seriously, anytime I would mess her bathroom up, it was like she knew I was doing my hair. She would come in like a radar. She was like, I detect hair on the floor. I detect hair on the floor. Like, I might sound crazy, but I'm being serious. My mom was like, there's hair on the floor. So yeah, anytime I would do my hair in my mom's bathroom, like I had my own bathroom when I lived with my parents, but she would still come in and be like, your bathroom is a mess, clean it up. And my mom's a clean freak, so I was like, girl, okay, whatever you say, because I love you. You pay the bills. I'm just gonna try to use the edge comb to kind of finish my edges up. So to make them neat, I'm gonna try to use that part of the comb. Ooh. That is smooth. Y'all, I'm really showing a lot of my personality in this video, and it's kind of scary. I don't know if I'm gonna cut it out or not. Like, I'm not scared to be myself at all, and everybody knows that. I get called weird a lot all the time, and I love it. It's a compliment. Okay. It's not turning out how I want it. Oh, hell no. What the fuck is that? Hold on. Yeah, I feel like I've been here for hours trying to do these edges. I can't get them right, but it's okay. I'm just gonna let it fly. I don't got nowhere to be today. It's just like I can't get my edges perfect. I'm just gonna let it be. Girl, that's good enough. I still look good, baby. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you. I can't see you. You gotta like your man in the back. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Okay, bye. I'm done, by the way. You want to help me carry this stuff in?